Good evening. Thank you. Please clap. Thank you. This side, please clap. Thank you, sir. Sorry, are you M.O.P's father, sir? Eh? No wonder you clap. So my name is, forget my name first. I'm from Aba. I just came to Lagos for greener pasture, and they did not tell me that there's no grass again here. I just got a job. Thank God nobody clapped. They have sacked me. And the painful thing about this job I got is that I thought it's God that gave it to me. I don't know it's not God. And I went to thank God.
Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
If you look at my neck, you will see 30 billion gang. I belong to 30 BG. Aba branch. Thank you. So, me coming to Lagos, I actually came to push my music career. Because in Aba, I don't make am. I used to rap. So I will draw some bars for you guys before I give. No, I will drop it. Because this is what I actually came to Lagos to do. Country is getting hard. Last year, March, my mother called me and said, when are you coming back for December? In March. Since I've been in Aba, my parents have been praying that I will leave the country. And I came to Lagos, you're asking me when am I coming back? To where? Now, I get bothered. They say, when are you coming back? To do what? And some of you do not know that. I know maybe some of you heard the news, some of you did not hear. I will tell you people. Our governor of Abia State, is the governor that used to give women that deliver how much? 500 naira. That's if you deliver like a Hebrew woman. If you don't deliver like Hebrew woman, you pay government. But the truth is that if he has not said it, nobody will know. So my mom collected money from government and she did not tell me. I know they do mortgage, the money I've reached now. So let me do some rap for some of you guys. So my stage name in Aba is Fireboy. Wait, it's in Aba. And I came to Lagos and I saw there is another Fireboy. So, I has blue, but I speak fire. And I said, okay, I need to change my name from this Fireboy to something fire related. And I think. And I remember that Dragon used to bring that fire. And I said, okay, I'll change my name from Fireboy to Dragon Boy. Wait. So I want to rap for you. So if you love Dragon Boy, make some noise! I swear, the love people are showing me is too much. I swear. Okay, let me do track 1. DJ, drop my shit. As you listen, may God bless you. DJ. Wait. My song. Sorry, my bad. I forgot. I've not gone to the studio yet. So let me just do a cappella for you guys. This one is titled Keep. Walking on the way. Okay, sorry. Okay, yes. I will. Listen, I wrote this song by myself. That's why it's like that. Walking on the way, I'm not a way keeper. In a football, they call me a goalkeeper. Wait, sorry. What else have keep inside? Housekeeper. Okay, so let's do this. Walking on the way, I'm not a way keeper. As a footballer, they call me goalkeeper. Just as he said, you're a housekeeper. Good night.
Sorry, come and be my testimony. You get to something I never seen. She said she liking my melody.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.